You can practice this meditation sitting down in your favorite place, or you can practice on a walk. There is no special posture needed, just a quiet openness and your attention. Just take a few seconds to arrive before you begin. Notice someone nearby or someone who crossed your path. You don't have to seek anyone out. Let them appear naturally in your awareness. Recognize that these persons carry the same light and burden of being a human. Hopes, dreams, fears, mistakes, memories, and loves. Chicks like you, they long to live with ease. Inwardly, offer a gentle phrase. May you live with ease today. No need to force work or effort. Let kindness flow like clear water. Move to the next person you notice. Repeat the same silent wish. You might imagine each phrase drifting into the world like a small breeze of care, touching the people around you without demand or expectation. Keep seeing these subtle waves of goodwill for several minutes. In any given moment, your mind start wander. Return to the next person you encounter, or bring the same sentiment towards yourself. May I live with ease today. Rest in the simplicity of that feeling. When your time feels complete, let the words fade No need to hold. Keep only the quiet knowing that kindness is never lost. It continues moving like a ripple after a pebble drops in still water.